Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to save video to your computer from CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is open up your Finder, or on PC, open up where you keep your files, right? And this can be a little bit, confusing, but you want to pick a location, right? So I like going into Documents, and I have all of these different files within the Documents section. So all I have to do is create a new folder, and then let's name that folder test 1. And so we've created a folder where we want the video to be saved into. Now we open up CapCut, make that full screen for you guys. And all I want to do is create a project, right? So let's say I'm editing, have everything in my timeline right over here, and now I want to save it to my computer. Well, I want to go up to the top right corner where it says export, click on export, give it a title, and now right here where it says export to, we're going to click on this little file button. And now from Documents, we find test1 folder, and we just click open. And now it's going to save to that file. We can also mess with the resolution. If you want the resolution to be nicer, I always recommend at least 2K. And then you want it to be MP4 format so that it doesn't matter what computer you're using, you can open it up, and then you can change the frame rate of it. 30 FPS is good enough. And then you click export, and now it's going to take a second. So yeah, we'll just wait over here. Hope you guys are having a blessed day today. It's right now 72 degrees here in Florida, and we're really enjoying the weather. Okay, now we just check that folder. So we're going to exit out of here, go back to Finder, and then through Documents, click on Test Folder, and now we have that video saved to our computer. Guys, if this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.